There's pretty little Nina over there. She just finished shitting. There she goes. Got her. I got a new ACME dog whistle. Tuned to like really long range, but supposedly we're gonna find out. I mean, she can't see me right now. I don't see her. Let's see how it works. I got a call. I'll use her old call. I used to have this one's gold or bronze. This one's bronze. The other one's stainless. They're both nice. Let's see. Here we go. Having attention, come here. She knows what it means. She'll check. I bet she'll. If she didn't hear it, I don't know. She should hear this from a long, long ways. Far farther than this. Okay, that's it. The last few is now, now, now. It's an emphasis. I'll switch to all beeps, meaning I'm out of patience. She knows. Oh, there she is. She likes to play tricks on me. And she's good at it. Come here, sweetie. She'll go all the way around and come up behind me in the forest sometimes. Good little doggy. That's my little Nina. That's my little Nina. Look at her. Isn't she pretty? Yeah, she's over 8.5 years old. Still so beautiful. It's like people still think she's a puppy. Yeah, she's a real good doggy too. Yeah, I lost her old whistle almost 2 years ago now, I guess. But I've been meaning to get a new one. I got a new one, but I didn't like it. You know, it wasn't the same company. It wasn't. This is a genuine ACME, and it's good quality. Totally worth the money. They're not that expensive, anyways. So I replaced it with this one now, and obviously it works. Okay, sweetie, come on, let's go. Come on, pretty baby. Woo! Yeah. So sometimes I can just give her a call where she'll let me see her. And I can give her an okay to stay. Anyways, yeah.